By the way, the introduction music is from the Rajasthan tourism ad. It's a brilliant set of ads. We are at eastern part of Rajasthan visiting Keoladeo National Park near Bharatpur, a World Heritage Site known for its bird life. The tagline "जाने क्या दिख जाए" is very much appropriate for this site. We saw not 10, not 20, 44 variety of birds. We saw I don't take any credit of any of those pictures. None of this picture was taken by me. But if I would have just shared the name of the birds without any picture, it would have made no sense. We had a guide with us to help us in pointing towards right direction and identifying the bird which one of us noted down. Bharatpur National Park is a man-made and man-managed wetland. The park is spread over approximately 29 square kilometer area and is a mosaic of dry grassland, woodlands, woodland swamps and wetlands. The sanctuary is one of the richest bird area in the world and is known for nesting of resident birds and visiting migratory birds. We had a great time here. Before visiting the national park, I knew only few birds countable by finger, like our national bird peacock, crow, pigeon, parrot, eagle, owl, vulture, and hen or chicken. This visit had made me aware about many kind of birds and their characteristic. I would definitely visit Bharatpur National Park again.